All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we are live. What's going on, everybody? Hit that like button for me, please, on your way in. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Man, we having a good time on FTEL right out the gate, man. Caught it off of retesting these lows right here. It did break the low by like 1 penny, but it's pre-market, so I didn't have like a hard stop in, so I survived. And yeah, man, got in at 302. Got, I think this was like 390, 389 ish, 420 ish, and then 460, and then another one at like 450. Pretty cool trade, man. What's up, Three Pony? So yeah, man, feeling good about that. And let's see how it goes, man. Let's see how it goes. What is this? Not much else going on today, though. Um, what up, Knives? NUAI. Man, appreciate it, Three Pony. It's so cumbersome using this platform. I'm really anxious to get back to my DOS, but I was happy to be able to get some orders off. Hmm. Yeah, man. Um, I had an L on something else though. It should be way bigger. I can't remember what it even was. What you guys trading, man? It feels kind of dry. Like before FTL popped up, I was kind of thinking like we won't even have anything to do today. Yeah, that's true. Hmm. No, yeah, it's the one I got took on. I think it was a reasonable trade though, as far as wanting to buy off of this support line I had here. I sound so disappointed. I'm telling you, bro. Like, hmm, thanks, Niles. Mm, 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 mm. Might as well come on back down to 3 at this point. 3 minutes till the bell. Is this one even reasonable to watch? I'm not even like. I mean, it's pretty crappy to be honest. It's pretty crappy if we're being honest. Wave Rider, what's up, man? What up, Trey? That's not a bad idea. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, I was thinking about that. I was hesitating to put that 354 level you called out on there. I just kind of want to keep these majors in here. Yeah, I like 280 and I like the top of this wick. 389-ish. 390. They never over knives. DIYA. Hmm. Mm-mm.
EQX.
Gotta have my squawk on. There's the bell.
CELH. IONC. CB. NUAI. DNUT.
Hmm.
RIBN.
Was that Rivian that just got called?
CELH. BORR.
Man, that was a pretty nice
IONC.
open on BIYA.
ESL, LTRX, EQX, IONZ, DNUT,
PACB.
PACB, AMTX, EOSEW, BIYA,
Alright, y'all gotta chill for a minute. Man, it sure is hard to get that filter where it needs to be. Stop taking those trades that you really just don't even want to take. It's a trip how hard that is. Right back down to 3. I feel like I need to just take BIYA off because it's so cheap. Yeah, that's where it needs to be. Man, this was it right here. Kind of pumped out. What up, Orville? The month is young for sure. All right, we in BIYA right here. Yeah, I guess I'm just trying to work with what I got. I traded it a couple times this morning. Felipe, what's going on, bro? If I get stopped out, I'm gonna be like, it was too cheap. Dang, bro. NUAI is going. Morning, OG. Screen frozen. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna try restarting my laptop tomorrow. Man, I got it too, OG. Check me out. I caught it right here at 302 and got some nice sales on it. And now I just got a little 5 shares holding to see what happens. You can't trade it, really? Your broker won't let you? Guess I need to put a stop in here somewhere, huh? $1.25. Man, appreciate it, Nines. NUAI fell on its face. Thanks, guys. I'm really, really coming around to the support gang. I mean, it just makes so much sense to me. It's always made sense. It's just the shiny object syndrome easily have you chasing a whole bunch of other stuff. I'm glad you wasn't home, Felipe. I'm just kidding. No. Yeah, no doubt. Wise words, knives. A lot of stuff works. A lot of stuff works if you do it right. Here we go. Come on with it. Where we selling at? I got 200 shares. Flat. I'm at 58. Stop loss executed on FTEL. All right. That's cool. Lost $1 on that after taking lots of profit on it. So that was a cool trade. Whoa, whoa. What just happened here? Word. Word. Whoa, what did I just do? Cancel that. It's too late. Hey, we rolling. We rolling. We were rolling. Oh gosh. Properties. I need to put that on a timer, man. It's got to be a screen refresh timer or something. Hey, let's go. Let's go. I was super high up on this. I wanted it here, but by the time I pulled it up, it was here. And then I jumped in and I was like, whoa, you just bought the high of day, dude. But it looks good on the higher time frame, so I think it'll be all right. Decent stop. I need to put a sell order out here, though. Yeah. Need that higher low. Heading home to your setup. All right, OG. Chop chop. Whoa, that was quick. Yeah, that's why I chose to do mine on the all right, took profit there on my works trade. And now we just see where it goes. See where it goes. Looking good over here. Ah, so close, so close. I started to do 65 too. I knew I was being greedy wanting past this high right here. Yeah, no doubt, bro. I have been enjoying the MacBook Pro, but I don't know. It's kind of starting to feel sluggish a little bit. I have been putting a lot on it. I have a lot of windows open all the time though too. Probably could just restart my computer before I stream every day. Dang man, I'm so silly for missing that sale. You gotta sell the previous highs, man. Sorry though. Stops in a good spot. I think we got a decent entry. See how it goes. Yeah, me too, man. Yo, we are cooking over here. Cooking. What's this high? 39.46. We're gonna sell that high, and then we're gonna be chilling. Not sure if it's good for trading. Well, oh, nice. Took that profit out. Now we chilling, chilling. I'm gonna go ahead and move stop under this little candle there. Awesome. Be a. Yo, anyway, AI looks ready again too. Kinda. For what level though? That looks like a nice level. Now it looks like I missed that jump. What's volume looking like? Hmm. Oh man, stopped out on B. Dang, did I get any? Dang. Man, missed the TP and got stopped out, bruh. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Yo. Another 50 out right there. Yes, sir. I need to get my iPad plugged up. Yo, Works is cooking. I'm about to get in NUAI over here. Pretty sure. What's keeping me? Oh man, I missed that spike, huh? 37, 39. I could have sworn I put that order in for 60 shares. Wow. Share size obliteration. Yeah, I'm on a MacBook Pro, bro. I'm using Windows too. Well, actually, no, I'm not using Windows right now. When I trade on DOS, I run on Windows. What was that just slapped me up like that? Oh, this is where I put my buy stop for 60 shares at. What was that last one? FTEL. Yo, we still in Works cooking. That's what I'm talking about. Got a new spot for our stop right there. Mm-hmm. Nice. Another TP up there. No, I got 3 screens plus my laptop screen open. So I got 4 screens running off my MacBook Pro. Yeah, sorry about that. I don't know why it keeps happening. Let me do some research or something. Walk. Yeah, I got a triple monitor stand and I think they're 27s. I haven't taken a new picture of my setup in a long time. Um, done for the day. Lost on FTL. Yeah, me too. It got me. When in doubt, sell some more. That's the new motto. When in doubt, sell some more. And monitors frozen again. Hmm. Oh yeah. Yeah, I keep my Discord down here on my laptop screen. I got my main trade station in the middle. I got my watch screen over here on the side for my watch charts, and then got OBS and YouTube and all that stuff going on over here. So it works out pretty well. Yeah, FTL looks to be done. Finito. Yeah, they actually got some really cool laptop dock things with two screens that slide out. I gotta get one of those too for the road. Just flipped red, eh? Yeah, this one looks done too. Limit order executed. Hey, got the TP. I always got to keep orders out, man. It doesn't make sense to not have orders out. For sure. Hmm. Fell for the crypto pump and dump. I got a little money off of it before I got hit. That's cool. I think I'm gonna wait for the higher low on this one for sure. You got the double bottom, which looks pretty nice, plus volume coming in. It makes me want to just get it right there. I'll wait for a little confirmation though. Man, we up 50% from our original position right here. That's crazy. What a cool trade. Below VWAP, off support. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much why I went with my laptop. The way my desk is, I got all my cords just like here. So when I sit my laptop down, I just plug them in real quick. And it's really easy. And when I'm done, I just unplug, fold it, throw it in the backpack, and I'm gone. So I am a fan of the laptop. Ain't nothing else going on. I got a side eye over on NUAI, but bruh, like how long does this thing stay unfroze? Like not long at all. Why does this feel way down there? Mm. You don't get me? Yeah. Ah, come on now. There it is. Yeah. Yo, we killing this trade. It's crazy. I haven't had a trade like this in a while. Yeah, boy. All right, took another stab at NUAI over here again. Why can't all stocks go up like this? Penny stocks for the win? Maybe, bro. The joint just got to be moving, man. Yeah, I definitely know that. Yeah. Seem like we've all done a little time over in penny stock world. Yo, we still making highs, son. 70%. We up 71%. Hey, yo. I sure wanted to add another 40 right there. I should have. I was being too scary. Being too scary. Yo, Leon. I know, right? I mean, that's what my position size is. I've sold a lot, so I'm not, it's not 71% of my original position, but just from where I entered at, what's that, 35.60 up here at 63, bruh. Bruh. Took another 25 out there. Let me reset my monitor so you can see it. All right. I know there's a hotkey for that I can set. I need to figure that out. Hey, check us out, man. We cooking over here, bro. I should have hit VWAP. I think my original take profit was 39. But I was like, if we can get past this high, bro, we should be able to get to 50. What's up, M1 to go? Question is, after this banger trade, do we continue trading? That is the question. New to day trading got $55. Um, well, I think the good news is if you're actually new to trading, meaning you haven't placed any trades before, you don't need money yet. I'm not trading with money right now. I'm literally paper trading, and I've been trading since 2021, 2020. I've been trading since 2020. And I'm only paper trading for a short amount of time, but that to say, when you're starting out and you're trying to figure out what kind of trader you are and what kind of stocks you want to trade and all of that stuff, there's no need to lose money while you're figuring that stuff out. You paper trade until you get a handle of either platform you're trading with. Whoa, what's going on over here? Oh, okay. I'm watching it. Took profit like a mug. Hold on, man. Let's take I mean, might as well hold to high today. Why is my chat disconnected? Am I still streaming? Yeah, okay. Um, yeah, like I would say put that $55 to the side and try to keep adding to it. And in the meantime, get your paper trade on, get you a actual system built, and once you have like an actual strategy, like okay, at between 9:30 and 10:45, I'm looking for low float gappers with news, blah blah blah. And now you got an actual plan. And not only that, but you've shown that you can actually make some money with it paper trading. Because if you can't make money paper trading, you're definitely not going to make money with real money. But once you start to see a little shine, like today, last couple days, I've been, my paper trade game has been elevating a little bit. So now I'm starting to feel a little confidence. Like, all right, it might be time to get back out there into the wild and you know, put some real risk on. And then you baby step, man. Like it really doesn't, you don't have to pay as much. Every dollar you lose is tuition. But unlike a university, you can actually choose how much you pay for tuition. So you really can learn all your lessons really cheaply. Like $1 a trade or $2 a trade, you know, and work your way up. Ben actually gave me a really cool chart with like a plan for each increment that he needs to make before he moves up to the next increment, like each dollar amount. So risking $2, you need to be up 40R before you move to your next one. And then you have a drawdown where if you lose this much, then you need to move back down to your previous risk level. And I think it's like 16 levels to get to like, I don't know, was it like a million or something? I don't know. It was like a massive amount of money. But you just baby step. You just baby step. Thanks, Knives. What we doing here? Yep. Save your bread, bro. It ain't even, man, so many people, including myself, man. I lost a lot of money um in the beginning, just feeling like it was super easy and it was like nothing. Like after my first couple wins, I was like, oh, we about to be rich. Told my wife, like, hey, babe, look, things is about to change around here. 5 years later. All that to say, take your time. Take your time. Because it's not actually, I'm telling you, bro, it's not actually this stuff. It's this stuff. It's like Knife said. Are we gonna be able to walk away after these huge trades, or are we gonna keep trading until I'm red again, which has happened numerous times. You know. Yeah. You all done? You don't mess with trading anymore? I want to be gangster and ad right here, but I'm not that gangster. This was the ad spot down here. I'm not that gangster up here. No. Yeah. What about long term stuff, man? A little swing trading ain't too bad. What's this high? 665. Let's get some principalities in here going. Principalities. Yeah, no doubt. Yeah, I feel you, Hadi. I feel you on that. Definitely don't want to approach that. Um, you can definitely approach this, and it can be gambling for sure. Man, I'm really happy with these trades today, man. I gotta get my iPad back going so I can get my order field on. What just happened? Oh, stopped out of works. All right, stopped out of works. Stopped out of works. Look at that trade, yo. Ah, yo. Oh, hold on. Let me refresh my screen. Yo. Nice trade, yo. And look at that, man. We over here cooking on NUAI as well. Dang, did it just pop up there and not take my order like that? That's what we doing? That's foul. Nah, I'm not agreeing that this is gambling. No, I don't do prop accounts. I'm just paper trading right now until I'm ready to throw some more money back in my STG account. I took a few weeks off, so I wanted to kind of get acquainted before I started risking money again. I went back to work. I wasn't winning enough, so I had to take some other opportunities that presented themselves. Yeah, I just all those things have risk. I don't think just because something has risk involved that it's gambling. Like gambling is like to me something that's complete chance. Like there's no skill or uh like if I bet on the Chiefs game or something. 100% gambling. Gambling is gambling. Yeah, that's yeah, but I mean, we're talking about like I'm when I say gambling, I'm thinking like the moral definition of gambling. Like not just things that have risk, but the actual like legal definition of gambling. You know what I mean? Like morally. Like a casino is clear gambling. You put your money in and you just like hoping it happens. Yeah, but investing, like for me, for example, in Islam, investing is legal. Like investing is okay, but gambling is not okay. Like I can buy stocks, but I can't buy lottery tickets. There's more. There's morality in how you do things, though. You're the one that has to be moral. All right, just took another little take profit out at 664. Not if you like Pokemon cards. Like if you trade Pokemon cards and you were gonna buy it anyway. Man, I got a lot on the table right now. You know what? Yeah, took half of that. Sometimes I forget how small my risk is, and I'm like sitting there with a decent amount of cash, but it's like only $15, and I'm like, oh, that's nothing. But in reality, that's after my first take profit to be sitting there with that. You know, you got to take some of that off, man. If I buy a box of tomatoes for 10, hoping to sell it to the store for 15, but by the end of the day, the value goes to 7. Nah, that's market. That's the market. That's the marketplace. That's life. You know, that's just normal risk that life has. Yeah, exactly. That's why there's a difference. It's buying and selling versus like you gamble, you put your money in and you might not get anything back, you know. Just lose the whole thing. I think a part of the gambling issue too is the it's not a business transaction where both people can benefit. Like if I bet you $100 that, you know, the Lakers are gonna win, if I win, you lose absolutely. Like you lose everything. And if you win, I lose everything. Whereas in the stock market, you know, you might lose some value, but you won't necessarily lose everything. You know, I don't know if that's that much of a consideration of it being gambling or not, but I can personally see a lot of differences. You might not get anything back. It's not a zero sum game though, unless you're doing options, which I can't do options, so it kind of keeps me from that as well. It's literally a marketplace. It's literally a marketplace, and we're buying and selling equities. Yeah, I don't do futures or options or none of that. No contracts. Don't buy contracts. 24. Hey, you think we got 7? We got to get 7 out of this. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna sell 10 at 6.99, 98. Frozen again. What up, Pharaoh? Bro, I've been having to do this like every 2 minutes. What's the dollar value take profit of this trade? Um, well, I got a 647 sale. I wish you could see these better. Let's see. That doesn't really help. This isn't any AI. Okay, so I got a 666, 664, and 647. Ah, man, so close. 695. $10 to gain. Looks like 660 plus 5, so 1160 plus 780. So like $20 so far. Still got 9 on the table. All right, Hattie. Thanks for hanging out, bro. Yeah, this reset capture is killing stuff, man. I don't know, man. I don't know. I was watching another streamer the other day and his kept freezing too. There's an update or something. Check for updates. You are up to date. All right. I don't know. I'll do a restart before I start streaming tomorrow. Maybe that'll fix it. I'm on web for TradingView. I'm on the web, but it's the whole screen capture. It's the OBS that's freezing. Yo, we look at the P&L today, yo. It's definitely my best day since I've been back. And I had some major like losses this morning too from share size. Yeah, this $22 one really made me sad. On FTEL, my position size was atrocious. But oh yeah, and this one too. Good Lord, how did this happen? Wow, I lost $50 on 2 trades and still I'm up $42 on the day. That's wild. That's pretty wild. We've been cooking today, basically. Basically. Where my cooker man at? Yeah, basically. Yeah, you did tell me that. I guess now I should move my order below this high. If I really want to give it a high probability of filling. Bruh. Yeah, boy. Got another one off. Okay, that's most of the position there. Got 5 shares left. Give us over 50 for our day. And I think that's a great time to call it. I think that's a great time to call it. Works ended up still doing this thing too. Works ended up doing this thing. Screen capture. Over $1. Hmm. uh, hey man, these stocks need trading, bro. It's trading, bro. Just one more hand. Nah. Man, Works is still rolling. About to get slapped up. It's only $6 though. We are the casino. Until Donald Trump sends a tweet, then he's the casino. Like that too much anymore. Let's see. Yeah, I bet. He trying to put one in Gaza. Gaza. Let's Sounds about right. All right, we are out of NUAI. Super cool trade. And sitting at 52.24 on the day. Might be a little less if after this guy. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, ain't really no telling just yet. It's not looking great. Hey, it's starting to look kind of good. Starting to look kind of good. Mm, 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 mm. Got the higher high. What's it gonna do? Little volume spike. This might be it right here. Sheesh. Is the market dying today? Yep. NUAI coming back into that support area. Nah, this is it though for sure. This is it though for sure. God willing. Hey Pharaoh, you still killing it over there, man? Yeah, I gotta stop buying the green candles too, man. I'll do it on the one because it's like perfect on the five, but I guess it's okay. I do it because I don't want to miss the whole trade, but really want to buy in much lower. I'm gonna have to Google this mug. OBS screen capture. Huh. Yeah, basically says I probably got too much stuff going on. So let's close some stuff. All right, what else do I have open here? Looks like that's about it. One more window. What? Okay, how are we looking now? Screen capture still rolling. Stop loss order executed. All right. Well, I'm calling it, bro. I'm calling it. Even though NUAI is right back at support now. Right there. Right there. Hmm. 9:46. Yeah, I'm good. I'm done. Yeah, today was a great day. I'm gonna go ahead and roll with that. Ah, yeah. I don't think it's worth it. Yeah, I'm cool, man. I'm up almost 5R on the day. Call it good, man. That's a huge dub actually. Like 5R, that's freaking awesome. Especially since I lost literally 5R in two trades of losses. But yeah, man. A lot to learn from today, I think. What did I trade mostly? NUAI, um, BIYA, two L's, three L's on BIYA. Yeah, this did not go well at all. Destroyed on BIYA. Works was great. Yeah, we killed Works. And yeah, that risk chart is solid, bro. It's really solid. It's like the perfect way to do it. Because it's like you have no business up on rung 3 if you're, you know what I mean? Like if you're still not producing the the level from 1 and 2, you know. Just keep the risk, just work the risk up, man. Work the risk up. But all right, y'all. Appreciate you hanging out. Don't forget that Discord link is in the description. Y'all want to come hang out later. And hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Y'all be safe out here. I holla. Peace.